My name is Marlo Stoudemire. I grew up in Detroit, went to Cass Technical High School, got a master's degree in international administration, undergrad in management information systems. But that's not the real story. The real story is what motivated me to make a difference. I grew up in the crack cocaine era, and I saw it change my neighborhood overnight. I saw what it did to young black men. I saw how young black men had low levels of expectations from education, potential earnings, who they could or could not be in the world, and the media didn't make it better, music didn't make it better, some parents didn't make it better, some parents didn't know how. And I believe that because there was nothing there for them to attach themselves to, that's where things went wrong. So what I decided to do after listening to Dateline and Time Magazine tell our story, say how can we tell our own story? And it's not necessarily through money and programming, it's about changing perceptions and perspectives. So I created a group called Unlimited Experiences. And Unlimited Experiences is a series of events that tours around Metro Detroit to show people what's really here in our backyard through venues, offerings of food, music, arts and culture, community giving, personal and professional growth, and all of this through a variation of activities, unique concepts, and experiential learning. One of the things I wanted to do was with young black men, older black men, was hit the barbershops, hit the basketball courts, hit the hood, and teach them how to give, how to serve, and how to get engaged. I want to give everybody a seat to the table. So what I did was I realized I had a voice at those tables. I'm in boardrooms, I'm in executive meetings, and I can be the representative for them to bring the message back. And the results have been staggering. I've been able to get people to come out through social and cultural engagement and get them involved before they even know what they're doing. And once they get involved, we've been able to get people to give back to the community through feeding families. We tried to break a world record for the largest dodgeball game ever, and we're breaking down barriers and silos that have been built up by racial tension for years. And young black men are being taken serious. And I think that just having a representative and a voice for the voiceless will help activate, engage, and provoke change in Detroit. We need more people to step up and realize that these young black men are doing something. And the best way to do it is to take us to them. Come on their turf and experience and have some diversity. Diversity is going to be the key to changing hearts and healing hurts.